How to use reports. Reports are tree view structures with the flexibility to select multiple boards and customize the view with the selected columns. To create a new report, click on the Reports from the left menu. There are two types of reports: Data Report and Comparison Report. Let's start by creating a data report for the PI number 4 report. Select the board from the list and click on the Apply Filter green button. All the data from this board will be displayed in the list format. Click on the arrow icon to expand the features and view the stories. By default, multiple columns are selected. Let's make changes to the selected columns. You may sort the columns, resize the columns, and filter contents as well. Parent filter generally means features, and child items mean user stories. Let's select the parent filter with the status in progress stories for Team CRM. Please note all these filters are and criteria. It is also possible to export this report in Excel and CSV formats. To share with other users or groups, click on the sharing button at the top and search the groups or users. Once you save the report, other users will be able to access this report. For more information, check help.kendis.io.